could have filled up 2 of these things, bro. Alright, so I got some snow chains. Some shop towels. Some Rain-X. This is like a hydrophobic glass cleaner to help with my windshield. Nail clippers, because I forgot them. Good morning. I am basically in an igloo right now. It snowed last night. I bought a quilt at the Walmart, and what's good about this is I had one of these at the house because I normally take it camping, but I, for whatever reason, didn't grab it. But so I tuck myself in like this, and I create like a pocket of air, and I didn't even use my electric heat blanket once last night using this. So if you're ever sleeping in cold temperatures, get a friggin' quilt. Alright, well, I look insane right now. The Walmart opens in like 10 minutes, and I have to go meet my uncle for breakfast. So I'm gonna go get ready as much as I can, and then we're gonna go to a Denny's down the street in like 2 hours. Here's the snow. Oh! It's like a dang blizzard. Wow. This is a fucking snowstorm, dude. Holy shit. Dang, so this is my car, man. Fucking the old igloo on wheels, baby. Shit, bro. Look at this. Hold on. Let them know. Let them know, baby. Oklahoma. Alright, we're locked. Let's go in this damn safe haven. Use the toilet. Alright, let's see. I'm driving in the snow. Woo! That's my Honda, baby. There's a little speed bump right here. Ain't nothing but the Honda, though. Well, he said he's on his way. Look at this. Whoa. Look at Having a good time. Oh, there he is. Good morning.
You finally meet in person?
Yes, sir. How you doing?
Pretty good.
So, meeting with my uncle was awesome. I've never met him before. He's actually my grand. Whoa. I see. He's actually my grand uncle. And he is a nerd when it comes to like genealogy and ancestry and history, which are all things that like I'm very fascinated by. I just haven't ever put in the work or the effort into like my own family history side, but he's literally spent like the last 40 years of his life documenting both his maternal and paternal side. And so he has like all of our, there's nothing on that thing. He has all of his family, because his father, my great-grandfather, was German, so he has all of that side. And then he has the maternal side, which is, they're as American as it gets. They literally go all the way back to like the Revolutionary War. And he gave me a bunch of documentation about that stuff, which I'm gonna read because it's super fascinating. But yeah, now I'm just like on this trail, killing time, and it's freezing cold. Woo! Look at that, yeah, that's some water. That's some cold water moving really fast. Wow.
If they don't hunt squirrels up here, they definitely should.
So cute.
They're not as cute in Oklahoma. I've got one that's been shitting on my car every single day. I wake up, there's a new pile of shit on my car. Yeah, get that one down there. He's curious.
What do you think about the Trump and Kamala election?
How do you feel about the tariffs? Are you going to lose your job?
How is the squirrel community marginalized? What about you? Are you curious?
What's your opinion on the declassification of the JFK files?
Do you think UAP is next? I bet you, like, just living up here in the snow, you probably got strong hips because you like.
Oh, yeah, slipping all the time. Be careful, bud. You might slip and fall in that water, and I'll have to carry you back to the fucking car.
Did you get the camera? Did you get the camera?
I'm strong, but I don't have a whole lot of endurance, so stop and take some. Well, I guess the community center's right there. We can warm you up in there. Look at those currents. Let's get a money shot right here. Like a pro.